Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Sasha. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this month's Boxy Charm. If you guys are interested in seeing how I use the products in this little black box to create this look, just keep on watching. Come on! Oh, so fierce. This month's box theme is Make Waves. The total retail value for this box is $108. You're going to get a facial cleanser, you're going to get a blush trio, an eyeshadow luster, a lipstick, and a brow definer. So the cleanser is from Glam Glow. It's their Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. It's blended with oat amino acids. This is supposed to be your daily conditioning cleanser. It's gentle but effective and cleans your skin and removes your facial makeup and daily impurities. I really love how this lathers up. It has a great lather. It also has apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea leaf, which is super good. It's a full 5-ounce bottle. Okay guys, so this is how my skin is looking right now. It looks really good. I definitely need to moisturize. It gave me a nice clean feeling. It lathered up really nicely as well. I'm not a fan of the scent. It didn't really have a scent, to be quite honest with you. It kind of just smelled like really bland and blah. The fact that it doesn't have a fragrance is good, especially if you're the one that easily breaks out. Like the other day I used a mask that had a fragrance in it and look at what happened to me. So I personally break out easily when it comes to like fragrances and stuff. So it's not a bad thing. I just wish that it had like a cleaner, like natural, like they could have used a natural scent or something. But I think it is actually really nice. I love the packaging. It's super cute, and I'll definitely continue using this to see how it changes my skin. Now, as far as moisturizing, because it says like a daily conditioning moisturizer, I don't feel like it moisturized my face, if I'm being very honest with you. So now let's quickly talk about this brow pencil from Mellow. It is in the color chocolate. I honestly feel like this is like a dark chocolate or like an ebony because it is extremely dark. I do like that it has a retractable like pencil top thing at the top, but it's extremely thick. So, I mean, I don't know. It was a little weird working with. It's very waxy. It didn't glide very well. I'm not sure if you like that. Some people do like that because it helps tame their brows. I personally don't like that because I feel like it just looks a little bit too harsh. With my wig on, it's not going to look bad, but if I'm wearing my natural hair, I have a little bit of natural red undertones in my hair, and it just didn't look good. I appreciate the spoolie, though, and I just think it's overpriced, if I'm being perfectly honest. Maybe it would have worked out better if I used it in a different shade and maybe with like a brow brush or something. But I'm like not a fan. Let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the face. I went ahead and did my foundation. This eyeshadow is from a Boxy Charm palette I received by the name of Ace Beauty. I love it. The next thing I'm going to be talking to you is from Lamar Cosmetics. This is their blush duo. I think these blushes are absolutely gorgeous. I feel like the formula is everything, as well as the pigmentation, and the packaging is surprisingly beautiful. I mean, I personally don't gravitate to this type of packaging, but I honestly thought it was really nice and compact, and the colors they provided were so nice. Look how good it goes on my skin. It's just so nice. I'm just loving it. So if you guys haven't tried this, you definitely need to get your hands on this. So the next product I'm going to be talking about is from Ciate London. This is their Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Cupid. Oh my god, I am absolutely in love with this. It is so freaking cute. Like, it looks so good on this look. I can only imagine, because of the gold reflexes that it has in here, that it would play well off of any shade, especially like those browns or those pinks. I just love it. Love it, girl. And it was so easy to apply. You can definitely apply it, because I applied a little too much right there. You can definitely work it with a brush, which I'm going to do in just a moment. Or you can go straight on the lid with the applicator. Do keep in mind, this is probably not the best way to do it if you're using this on a client, because it's obviously not sanitary, but they work like a wonder, and I'm definitely interested in trying out any other shades that they have available, because it was just really good. It's a pretty metallic eyeshadow, and I feel like it worked well and didn't flake or get anywhere, no fallout, and it was super lightweight. So I'm happy that it fulfilled on its claims, and also they're cruelty free, so who doesn't love that? Now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the underneath, well, not necessarily clean up. I'm going to go ahead and apply a highlighter shade into the inner tear duct, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply a shade under my lash line. I'm also going to apply some lashes, mascara, and all of that shebang, just to make everything tie together and complete the look. Lashes always tie the look together for me. Now, last but not least, I have a liquid lipstick from Joseph Colors in the color Kiss of Fire. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the formula. It is a pretty color. The packaging, they're always, I mean, Joseph Colors, you're always winning with Joseph Colors. I personally feel like I'm never really disappointed in them. They are a little bit pricey, but I feel like they're always worth it. They always fulfill on their formula, packaging, and customer service. See, I have some stuff from I Love Sada E collection from them and a couple of their lipsticks along with the palette and stuff. And I honestly am always pleased with Joseph Colors. So yeah, I don't have anything negative to say about it. I feel like this is just such a beautiful shade. I mean, it's perfect. So guys, this month's Boxy Charm, I would have to say, is a success. I pretty much liked everything in here except for the brow product. I feel like the brow product was a little too thick for me, or like waxy, like a combination of the two. I personally like to use the spoolie end and then like use the brush with it. So maybe if I went like that, I could control it better. It looks good because I cleaned them up or whatever, but I do feel like it's a little bit too dark in my personal opinion, and I thought I would like it because it's the color chocolate. It's more like an ebony to me in my personal opinion, but with this wig it actually looks good. If I were wearing my natural hair, it probably wouldn't work out because my natural hair is a little lighter and a little bit more on the redder side, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I definitely will be wearing this if I have like dark wigs. I'm loving the Joseph Colors lipstick. Super nice. I love the color. It's the perfect combination of a red and like hot pink. It's absolutely gorgeous. I apologize, you guys. My lash is falling off. You guys are probably seeing that right now because I need to put more glue. So I'm going to take care of that. Don't worry. I will not go out looking like that. The little glitter shimmer thing that I put on my eye, I'm trying to look for it right here, but I have so much makeup on this table, I can't find it. So I really like that. It stayed in place. It didn't go everywhere. It was easy to apply. I love the color. I love the color payoff it gave, like the shimmer and stuff. It's gonna look really pretty on a lot of different colors. I personally went with the pink just because I'm kind of like wearing this nice pink spring look. It's Mother's Day today, so happy Mother's Day to all you mothers. You guys are greatly appreciated. You guys don't know what you guys mean to us. I personally don't have my mom right now. She passed away a few years back. If you guys have been following me over this time, I'm not gonna get emotional. I promise. I promise. But I did want to still thank you guys for being like great mothers. You guys mean the world to all of us, and I know what I mean to my kids, and I know what my mom meant to me. So I just wanted to tell you guys happy Mother's Day out there, and yeah, hopefully you guys have a good one. Hopefully you guys like your Boxy Charm. If you haven't tried Boxy Charm yet and you guys are interested in trying out, I think this is a great way to try out new products if you guys are a makeup junkie like me and just want to try out some new stuff that you guys either haven't heard about, been wanting to try out, or just, you know, haven't seen, and it's a cheap way to do it. Also, if you're trying to build your makeup collection, I think this is an awesome way to do it too. It's super affordable, $21, and you get over $10 worth of product. I did put the value of the total box towards the beginning of the video when I shared all the products with you guys, and they're full-size products. Like, you can't lose. Even if you only end up liking one product, it usually ends up paying for itself. I will have a link down in the description box below where you guys can get your guys' Boxy Charm. I really do enjoy Boxy Charm. I have it upside down the whole time. I really do enjoy Boxy Charm. I know the last couple months they kind of were annoying me and I haven't made any videos because they send me like 3 boxes in 1 month, and that was one of the things that I was having a problem with. So you guys haven't got a Boxy Charm video for me for like almost 3 months now, and that's because I received all those boxes at like one time and I was pretty annoyed about it. That is the one con so far experience that I've had, like bad experience I've had with Boxy Charm, is that the shipping got screwed up and I ended up, like I said, getting all these boxes at once, and I just felt like it was irrelevant to make videos on boxes that were already old and you guys weren't going to get your hands on anyway. So I hope you guys are understanding of that, why I haven't gave you guys a Boxy Charm video. I'm not sponsored by Boxy Charm. I just want you guys to know that I do purchase this on my own, so I'm giving you guys I always give you guys my honest opinion, but I want you guys to feel even more comfortable with ordering this and knowing that I do spend my $21 on this every single month, and I'm usually satisfied with most, if not all, of the products. And like I said, if you end up only liking one product, it ends up paying for itself at the end. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this look. If you guys had a great Mother's Day, I hope you guys do. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might find it useful, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to check out some of my other videos. Also, follow me on Instagram at IamSashaFierce411.